Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rebel 1100. This is the automatic transmission, ABS brakes, beautiful root beer brown metallic paint scheme. It's got the Batwing fairing on the front, LED lights, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got the saddlebags, rear passenger seat. Beautiful condition on this bike. Only 1,650 miles. It also has the custom brown seat. Come on by, make your Rebel automatic transmission dreams come true for just $11,499. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.